7 hobbies that replace scrolling and change your life. Number 1. Starting an online business. You do not need money to start. You do not need experience. You do not need a degree. You need a phone, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn. Selling digital products, freelancing, dropshipping, content creation, affiliate marketing. The internet has created more millionaires in the last 10 years than any other tool in human history. Number 2. Reading. Before you scroll past this, hear me out. Reading is not boring. Boring books are boring. Find a book about something you actually care about. Money, psychology, relationships, war, crime, and reading becomes the most addictive thing you have ever done. Number 3. Exercise. I know, you have heard this before, but listen to what actually happens in your brain when you exercise. Your brain releases dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins, the exact same chemicals that your phone triggers. Except exercise builds them, scrolling steals them. People who exercise regularly report feeling less anxious, less depressed, and more focused throughout the day. Number 4. Learning a skill. Any skill. Coding, drawing, music, cooking, chess. It does not matter what it is. What matters is this. Every hour you spend learning a skill compounds. 1 year from now, you could be good at something real, something yours. Scrolling gives you nothing to show for your time. Skills give you everything. Number 5. Journaling. Writing your thoughts down is one of the most underrated habits on the planet. Here is why it works. When you scroll, you consume other people's thoughts all day. You never process your own. Journaling forces you to slow down and actually think. What am I feeling? What do I want? What is bothering me? Studies show that people who journal regularly have lower anxiety, better decision-making, and clearer goals. 5 minutes before bed, no rules, no format. Just write whatever is in your head. That one habit can change everything. Number 6. Walking in nature. Not walking while on your phone, just walking. No headphones, no notifications, just you and the world. Research shows that 20 minutes in nature reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, by 21%. Your brain was not built for screens. It was built for trees, sky, open space. Give it what it was built for. Number 7. Cold showers. This sounds like torture, I know. But here is what happens the moment cold water hits your body. Your heart rate spikes, your breathing deepens. Every cell in your body wakes up, and then something strange happens. You feel proud, because you did something hard, on purpose. That feeling, doing something hard on purpose, is the exact opposite of what scrolling gives you. Scrolling is easy, cold showers are hard, and every hard thing you do makes the next hard thing easier. Choose hobbies which you have interest in.